Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first we should launch the settings application, and after that click here to the system section. Here we'll set a screen recording top ones here, and now just here to switch our screen recording quality we should click here to definition, and now we have selected the medium quality. We can switch it to low or also to custom, and that's it. Also we can do it by the second way. Just first open the notification panel, and here on the top bar you should find the screen recording icon. To launch the screen recording settings, hold for a while this icon, and now here you'll see the same screen recording settings. Just by the same way, click here to the definition and switch the audio quality just about your preferences. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.